everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very simple and everyday look, and you can wear this for any kind of cultural or ethnic event. Today's video is slightly a reminder to myself that I have graduated last year and I don't have to study now. If you don't know, I have done my both BSc and MSc from Bethune College, Kolkata, and if you don't know about Bethune College, then let me tell you, it's a kind of old ethnic cultural college, and we used to wear sari and salwar kurtis for any kind of cultural events, and except the fest when I'm a JK Jakushi korte partam. Honestly speaking, I love wearing ethnics. So yeah, and what I am wearing today, it's a white kurta with a dupatta and green leggings. I wore this for my post-graduation seminar presentation, and if you want to know how to get ready with minimum products and quite a natural look, then stay tuned and keep watching me. First, I'm going to moisturize my skin. For that, I'm using this Palm moisturizer. It's a mattifying moisturizer, so Kolkata's patch goromer jonno it's best. I'll take a small pump and massage it into my skin. Always wait for 2 to 3 minutes after any product application so that it gets absorbed into your skin. Then I'm using my Pond's BB cream. I'll take a small pump on my hand, warm it up using my ring finger, and then dab it on my skin. Make sure to blend it all over your face so that there is no distinct line that here is your BB cream and there is no BB cream. Always make sure to blend it on your ears. If you have any dark circles, then you can use concealer, but I don't have such dark circles, so I will just leave it like this. And also there's a lot of products on my hand, so I'm going to use this on my neck as well. I love this cream. I can go on and on with this cream, and to some extent I can remember I have used this BB cream on my sister's wedding, I guess. Yeah, that much I love. I don't need foundation. It gives me a foundation like finish. Then use a compact powder, whatever you have. I have this Lakme one. Then set this under eye area. This side as well. Chin area, because this sweats a lot on your foreheads. I'm done with my face. I'm going to do my eyebrows and eye. To outline my eyebrows, I'm using this Maybelline eyebrow shaper. Similarly, I'm going to do this eye as well. Okay, I'm done with my both eyebrows, and you can always clear any mishaps if you do with the concealer, but it's okay for me now, so I'm going to do my eyeliner. As eyeliner, I'm going to use this Chick Witke liquid eyeliner, and I'm not going to do any wing eyeliner or bold eyeliner, just a simple outline on my eyes. I'm using the small stamping technique to do my eyeliner. Like this. So I'm done with my eyeliner and this is how it looks. Normally I'm a fan of this Maybelline Master Pro Metallic Highlighter, but today I'm going to use this Maybelline Face Duo Stick. It has a contour on this side and a highlighter on the other side. I'm going to use the contour stick to define my this area. It's not much effective on my skin. It goes really close to my skin, so yeah, I'm not a fan of this thing. Then I'm going to use this highlighter stick on my nose bridge, cheekbone, cupid bow and brow bones. I'm not trying this product because of this highlighter. It's great. This lipstick is from Lakme 925 range and the shade number is MB11. To remove the shininess of this lipstick, I use any random clothes and dab it on my lips. So here it goes. Now if you are wondering, I have not applied any mascara on my eyelash, but I prefer to avoid mascara on regular basis because most of the time what I use is waterproof, and after coming back home it's really difficult to wash them off completely. So I avoid mascara, but you can always go and use your mascara, and I think I'm going to use a little today, and this is another Maybelline product. So here it is, all done. Just I'll grab my earrings. Wait, I'm going to wear this oxidized jewelry. Again, I made this one when I was in college. This is it. Now, when I was in college, I had long hair. Like, I'll add a picture of my hair. Now I have only this much, so I'm going to use this clutcher, and so this is it. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how is it. And if you have any certain queries regarding this look, you can always reach me through my Instagram account. My Instagram link will be given in the description box. And thanks for watching. I'll be back soon. Tada!